Alright guys, can you hear me? Everybody in the back, can you hear me? Good, thumbs up. Alright, so for those of you that partied a little too hard last night, and didn't make a keynote this morning, Coach Carroll had the privilege to talk a lot to you today.
DJ Carroll's announcing me I'm going on stage right now. The stage. Talk and teach about social media.
People here have seen people.
Arm the camera. Yep. Thank you very much. Can you hear me clearly? Awesome. In my hand I have my YouTube vlogging camera. Who here once again has seen my video before? Flat road. Put this camera down. That is legit, son. I'll show you. West Virginia mountains, man. That's so beautiful. So we are getting subway in West Virginia, and this is kind of crazy because they literally live in the mountains, man. Like literally cliffs. You can't see it from here, but Nico, stop it. Get back in. Get. There's like cliffs right up against people's houses and stores and things like that. Finally. We're in downtown Charlotte, North Carolina, son. Left here, yep. No, what? I can't tell because the way the... Yeah, that's it. Why is there fucking SWAT police down here? Oh, because of the riots. Dude, this is fucked up. There's like people walking around everywhere with bandanas on their face and cops with riot gear everywhere.
Yeah, hurry the fuck up and get the fuck out of here.
So DJ Carroll's doing his keynote speech right now, and I'm videotaping. This guy bribed me to bring a bunch of cameras and videotape and put some microphones on them, but it's cool. He's a good guy. Paid for my trip. I'll show you a sneak peek.
Then you can take the hustle, you take the execution, multiply them together, start creating some momentum, change your life and other people's lives. Appreciate you guys.
I thought it would be fun for a second just to show the ridiculousness of the camera gear that I bring with me when I go to events. And look at all this. There's a lot to keep track of. Sony A7S with interchangeable lenses and Rode VideoMic Pro stereo. I've got the regular one too, and telescoping mics. Tons of tripods, tons and tons of batteries and SD cards and chargeable units. Here's 3 more cameras on tripods. We do 5 cameras when we record. Wireless audio lavalier mic pack kit with all types of extra batteries and charging units. Inside here is a drone with the blades and, you know, obviously batteries and controller. And then here is a big huge LED light panel for lighting in case we need it. Right here is another camera. It's a Canon T4i with a speed flash for photography. I've got a 50mm movie lens for that too. They all have extra battery packs. And that's one of my wife's Ashley aprons. And yeah, everything you could possibly need to do an entire video show, plus a laptop, a gaming laptop with external hard drive. And when I'm walking around, my pockets are full of batteries and SD cards and a lot of shit, man. I probably got 15 grand worth of all the shit. And just here alone, I've got probably 7-8 grand worth of stuff. So don't rob me. But yeah, dude, this YouTube and social media and all that stuff, you don't need, all you need is your cell phone. You could do everything. I built my entire YouTube channel with a damn cell phone. And I actually do all the editing and everything right on the cell phone. But this is all the extra stuff, that a deep rabbit hole that you can get into. So that would be fun to just share. Somebody told me yesterday, dude, you should show that stuff when you got everything set up. Maybe I'll make another video later.